Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You will start right away. Pause OneDrive sync on the PC so files stop changing while you move them. Then sign into the destination account or mount the external drive. Make sure Windows Explorer shows both locations. Once done, use Selective Sync to keep only the folders you need locally. Make sure to note file paths and any shared links. You'll preserve permissions more easily if you document which folders are shared before copying. Now perform the transfer. For bulk reliability, use robocopy from an elevated prompt with /mir or /copyall to mirror attributes and security. If you prefer GUI, drag folders between the two OneDrive folders in Explorer while watching progress. For cloud-only placeholders, first make files local by right-clicking and selecting Always Keep on this device. This prevents sync errors. After a small test copy, confirm checksums, finish by re-enabling sync on the destination OneDrive and allow it to fully upload. Monitor the sync client until it shows a complete status. Then compare folder sizes and sample files to confirm integrity and remove the old copies only after verification. If something goes wrong, reset OneDrive or run the sync troubleshooter. Also check for path length or permission issues. If conflicts appear, resolve by keeping the latest modified file or merging manually to avoid accidental data loss.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.